Hello there, biology class. I'm your instructor, Vanessa. I'm going to show you how to download Office 365. That way you can have a Word on your computer that works with D2L. Unfortunately, D2L does not work well with the browser version. So I'm going to show you the difference. So let me go ahead and share my screen. First thing we have to do is actually download Office 365. So what you're looking at here is you're looking at CCC Online dashboard. You have something very similar on the student end. I might have some extra things that you don't have, but let me go ahead and show you one thing that you do have, and that is your email. This is how you email me in case you haven't got an opportunity to email me yet. So here is your Office 365. Just click into here. Now, install Office. I already have Office installed on my computer. So you want to download the apps. If you hit this, it will download all of them. If you click this, you can choose to download Word only. So if you notice, you can use this over here. When you're using this over here, this is not using a downloaded version of Word. This is using the browser version of Word. And this is the one that seems to be all of the problems with D2L. So you have to download it because I've already downloaded. I have it. Oh, I don't want to download it again. But you see, automatically it does it. It does everything that you need. Once it is downloaded, you will see, I will go ahead and show you my desktop. Once it is downloaded, you will see it show up here on your actual desktop. Open that. And when you open that, then you will have your files that are actually on your computer and not files that are shared with the cloud, and you won't be using the browser edition. So with that, let's go ahead and take a pause for a moment. Next, let's go ahead and look at our labs. I'm going to go ahead and download. So here is your labs, or here's your course. Oh, sorry, that's an old course. Let's try again. Going into your contents. Module 1 labs, introduction, and then it opens up your HOL labs. So you go through all of this. You just go through and read and follow all the prompts and make sure you hit all of these important things. By the time you get to the end, you're going to have your assignments and procedures. Sometimes they might be labeled something else, but the key thing is you download your workbook. Now, the procedures, you should still be opening these procedures and following along step by step. These are not what I want you to turn in. These are essentially going to be the same questions that are in the workbook, but it is the workbook that you need to be turning in. So let's go ahead and share that with you now that I have it downloaded. As you see, it is downloaded on my desktop, meaning it is on my computer. I am not using a Word browser version. I am using the downloaded version of Word from Office 365. So here is all of your work. Type into it. You can just answer questions, like, for example, my hypothesis is, and then let me go ahead and put a little space in that. When you're done answering the question, all you need to do is highlight it, use an alternate color. Do not actually highlight the answers themselves, but just go in and select an alternate color. If you wanted to select red, that's fine. Select a color other than black. That way, your answers are very visible to me. and the labs get graded in a timely manner. Once you do that, you are going to save. So let's go ahead, save. Oh, there you go. How about we name it? So I'm going to save as. It's all ready. Boom. Now we're going to go ahead and upload it. When you upload it, you got two options. You can upload it. Let's just go ahead and go to your assignments folder, Module 1 Labs. You can upload it via here, Module 1 Lab, or you just go to the assignments folder and you upload them here. We get into problems when you are using the browser version, or you're using some older Word program, or you're using some other program. So please make sure you download that free Word program from the CCC online main page that I showed you. So I hope this is helpful.